Hello friends and welcome back to a new vlog in our travel series. So today is our last day in Kandy City. So I thought, why don't I take you guys around for a walking tour of the city? You heard me right. So let's head over and see what the city has to offer. Now, Kandy is a major city in Sri Lanka and it is located in the central province. Also, it was the last capital of the Asian kings era of Sri Lanka. Now, this city lies amidst the hills or mountains that, as you can see here, it's all green, and I think you can see my previous video to know how green and a mountainous region this Kandy city is. So now we are heading over, or we are just driving through the residential area of Kandy city.
This is the bus station, yeah?
Yeah.
Main bus station.
Main bus station.
So just next to the bus station, we saw this huge compound and we understood this was a prison. So this is the Bogambara Prison, and this is one of the oldest prison and was a maximum security prison, and it's also considered the second largest prison in the country. If you watch my Big Buddha video, you can see an aerial view of this particular prison. Currently, the prison ground is utilized for different festivals and events. So right now, at the moment, there is a cultural food and festival happening over here. So we were quite early because the outlets or the food trucks were just opening up and they had a stage for conducting events. After operating for 138 years, this prison was shut down in Jan 2014 and the inmates were later transferred to a different prison complex. അമ്മേ ചക്ക. There is a paid toilet opposite the prison complex, but unfortunately it was stinking.
Vegetable,
Fruit
fruits.
and other side vegetable and fish and beef.
Rambutan, and there's so much rambutan. Grapes.
Grapes. Grapes is not in our country.
Grapes not?
No.
Imported.
Yeah. That's that one also India.
Pomegranate.
Yes. Grape also, I think maybe India or China.
But you have a lot of rambutan.
Yes, rambutan. Now it's not a season. August, June, August is season.
So this is the main market.
Yeah, yes. Kandy being security center.
Even though Sri Lanka is officially a Buddhist country, you can find a lot of Sri Lankans practicing a variety of religions such as Hinduism, Muslims, Christians, etc. After a beautiful car ride across the Kandy markets, we decided to take a break by the Kandy Lake and enjoy this breeze and the moment. Not just relax by the lake, but you can also enjoy a nice boat ride in this lake. Even though Sri Lanka went through a crisis, their traffic rules are just amazing, because if somebody needs to cross the road, they only use a zebra crossing, and the vehicles, they just stop and let the pedestrians walk by. So that is something we Indians should improve in our country. So after a nice stroll by the Kandy Lake, we decided to meet a family friend, and we are now going for lunch with them. So the uncle who was with us told me that there are only two veg restaurants in Kandy City, and this is one of them. So if you are a vegetarian, then you do have a pure vegetarian restaurant in Kandy City. Now this is one of the entrance of Temple of the Tooth Relic, so you can have a different look of it during the daytime. After a delicious lunch and a fun chat with our family friends, it's time for us to say goodbye to them. Shortly after parting ways with our friends, we packed our bags and are now going to the Kandy railway station.
Hi everyone, I am Umindha. I am from Sri Lanka. I am living in at Kandy. I am a tourist driver, tourist guide. I say now is Kandy is good and Sri Lanka is better now. Please come to Sri Lanka. It's a nice country and nice people there. And come to Sri Lanka, visit to Sri Lanka. I all are free to come to Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Since we had our ticket ready with us, we didn't have to stand in any queue or anything. We just have to pass through, and we are slightly around 30-40 minutes early to the station. So let's just explore this place. You can see it's quite neat and people are well disciplined. Comparing to the railway stations, the Indian railway stations I visited, the Sri Lankan railway stations are one step ahead in their cleanliness. So now we are saying bye to this beautiful place, Kandy in Sri Lanka, and I say that people should all visit Kandy when you visit Sri Lanka, because it's really beautiful, really good people and beautiful place by the lake and the climate. Ciao to this beautiful city of Sri Lanka, and now we are moving to the capital city of Sri Lanka, that is Colombo. After a slow and tiresome journey, we have reached Colombo railway station, and even though we booked a taxi, it showed us it will take around 20 minutes to reach the station. So why waste our time? So we cancelled that booking, and then we are right now taking a tuk-tuk and then going to our hotel. Our hotel is only 10 minutes away from the fourth station, so we thought why not enjoy the tuk-tuk ride in this rain. Hope you liked my Sri Lanka series vlogs. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Colombo vlogs coming right up. So until next time guys, bye bye.